Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you want to see how I sublimate on this face mask and cell phone case, make sure you keep watching. So here I am in Silhouette Studios where I print my design. So I'm going to go up to the icon, the open file, and I'm going to select my design. I made my design in Canva. If you want to see another video on that, leave a comment down below. So first I'm going to grab the image for the cell phone case. And I've already sized it in Canva to 3.2 in width and height 6.3, which was the incorrect size. So the correct size is 3.257 in width and 6.702 in height. So now we're going to move on to the mask. The mask I sized it at 6.6 in width and 4.7 in height, which was the incorrect size too. So I had to come back and reprint it and make the width 7.2 and height 5.2. So here I did the biggest, most common mistake ever. I hit print without flipping the images horizontally. So yeah, I almost broke my fingers trying to hit cancel. So I caught it in time before it printed. So I went back in and I hit print, and this time I did it correctly. Yeah, I see that, right? Okay, print. So now that they're printed, the one on the left side is the smaller one, which is the incorrect size, and the one on the right is the correct size. So the heat press setting for the mask is 400 degrees on 60 seconds. And the setting for the cell phone case is 400 degrees and 60 seconds. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you want to see another video on sublimation, click the video on the screen. And oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.